Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing? I'm hoping you're well and blessed. Okay, I'm back today with the Euro USD. It looks like it's going to be a great opportunity for us all. So let's get straight to Euro USD and see what we can see. So now, as you can see, I'm looking at weekly time frame on Euro USD. What I see, first of all, this is what I see. A lot of traders still see. As you can see, will be our, as you can see, your level of demand zone. Okay, if you see that as your level of demand zone, and then you can just draw your trend line going down like that. Okay, and then from here, as you can see, price has been pushing up, trying to trap the buyers. But looking at this now, it looks like it's going to push up to that level, slightly to that level up then on a higher time frame, on a daily time frame. Okay, so if my advice will be, if you can just draw a line there, a trend line there, sorry, and at least wait for the price to break that trend line there. Okay, if it can only push a little bit down to this level, again there, and then this one here will be a great opportunity for a buy going up to that level there. But guys, yes, you know that I only start trades analyzing on higher time frames, then I will go to lower time frames. So if I go to straightly to lower time frame, which is let's go to H4. What I see on H4 is very interesting, guys. As you can see, the market has been ranging in a flat channel for quite some time now. Let's try to identify that flat channel. As you can see, let's draw it like this. Yeah, exactly. So as you can see, guys, price has been ranging in this flat channel since April. Okay, so what is price telling us to do now? Let's look at the important levels, guys. If you look at this level here, the first important levels, guys, is this levels here. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of traders claiming that this will be there's two scenarios that they are planning. They are thinking that price will push down to that level, which I might agree with. But looking at my analysis, looking at the strategies that I use, I don't see price going down to that level. I only see it turning here, going up to this level. So let's add everything that I have and then see what we can get. Okay. So first of all, what do we see? Okay, we see that price is ranging on a flat channel. Yes, it's been ranging on a flat channel. We have engulfing candle here to show us that price is going down. So let's look at the important levels. So again, looking at inside that flat channel, we got another important level down there. Okay, so that also is very important level. So that gives me like the clue where the market is gonna go. Okay, so this gives me the clue that where the market is gonna go. First of all, you all know what I'm gonna say. This is your breakout, right? And then we patiently wait for price to retest that breakout there. Okay, from there we might look for the price to do what, to go straight up. Okay, to push a little bit higher to this to this level, all the way to that supply zone down up there. Okay, so let me just draw a supply zone there. This is my supply zone there at the top there. Okay, this is what I see. Yeah, there at the top there will be my supply zone. So if I patiently wait for price to reach this level, and then I will just buy it there, right? Yeah, with a buy stop pending order. Okay, with this stop loss a little bit higher below the lows, and then my first trade profit will be this one, and my second one will be that one below that supply zone there at the top there. So let me just try to add confluences for you guys to convince you guys this might be going up, to see if you guys agrees with me. So if we draw a trend line like this there, okay, so this was not only breaking this important zone, this is my important zone there. If I can see, I just say it's my important zone. Price didn't break only that, it also break the trend line, And also if you draw this level, if we draw the trend line there, right, we'll be having like this first bounce here, the second bounce there, and the third one there. So guys, we might be looking for price to push up from here to that level there. Okay, we might look for price to push down and then push up to that level. So what we have to do, guys, we just have to patiently wait for price to reach that level, or just patiently use the pending order, which is a buy stop somewhere inside here. So another thing that we can add, guys, sorry for my voice, guys, is still in the morning. Another thing that we can add, guys, is the, let's see, your Fibo. If you draw your Fibo roughly from there to there, you'll see that it also confluence with that Fibonacci. That important level that I mentioned there is also confluence with the Fibonacci. So around 61.8, we're looking for a buy there, stop loss below the low, and then we are going all the way up. Another thing that we can add, guys, to see that, okay, if we fail to do that, okay, we're still on a flat channel, right? We're still on a flat channel, but if we fail this flat channel, this is what might happen, guys. This is what might happen. I still don't see price going all the way down to this level there. Okay, okay, it might still go, but I don't see it going down to that level at this moment, because we still have this two strong level here. We have the first one here, we have the second one here. So how will the price pass that level without following any confluence or any pattern? So looking at this, if price goes straight down to this level, it might tend there to push up to that supply zone there. And if it pushes down, this is very important, guys, if it goes down from there, all the way down from there to that level there, okay, so what will we be having now? Look at this level here. Okay, sorry guys, look at this level there. Okay, another level that will be our demand zone and our supply zone there, the top there. Okay, yeah, so okay, if price reach this level there, it might still go up to that level there. So I know that a lot of people will be disagreeing with me. Why do you say it's gonna do that? What pattern is that? This is very simple, guys. This pattern here is called mirror image. So what's really happening on your left will happen again on your right. So let me quickly show you that. What am I saying when I say this is gonna form a mirror image? Okay, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, guys. So don't worry about my voice. So if you draw a line there, so what happened on your left will happen again on your right. So this what the market push up there. Look at this, guys. Look at how simple this can be. Okay. So whatever happened on your left will happen again, might happen again on your right, guys. So this move going up here will be this one here going up to that level there, and then this one here that pushing up to that level, pushing down to that level there, sorry, will be this one here pushing down to that level, and then this whole big move going up to that level there will be this one here going going up to that level there. So it's only based on how you can identify the patterns, guys, and then when you always know that if market do this, then we do that. But I'm still sticking to this one, guys, of we rather look for buy opportunities here for price to push up, guys. So it's better for us to focus on the buy opportunities now. Why? Because weekly time frame agrees with us, guys. So let's take this great opportunity we have from the market this week. I hope you guys will make money this week like we did last week. Okay, and then as for me, from me, guys, I'll be done from here. Okay, let's do a quick update on gold. Let's see what we have on gold. As you can see on my desktop here, we still have a picture of our previous analysis based on gold. So this is before actually. So if we go to the current market price, you can see price went straight the way that we anticipated. So if you take it, guys, congratulations. I hope you made a lot of money. Okay, so let's see if we can get another opportunity with a buy on gold, on this gold. So looking at this level here, okay, looking at this level there. Sorry about that, guys. I'll fix it now. Okay, so we might look at another opportunity for us to push price all the way up to that level there. So uh, another confluence is if we add this trend line here, it's going to give us this opportunity at this that bounce there on gold. So as you can see, it breaks this high here. So it gives us there the breakout here. It breaks this high and even this high. So what did price do now? As you can see, let's say it did something we call ABC. It went down, it went up. So it might push. It's gonna push up. So this will be your A, B, C, D there. So this will be your A, your B, your C, your D, and then we look at a buy there. So if you're buying it here, guys, just put it your stop loss slightly about that low there. And then it worth this one worth risking your money again and again. So let's buy it here going up, guys. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you understand what I say. If you have any question, guys, you can on comment section, you can just write your question on the comment section, guys. In order to get a hold of me, you can just WhatsApp me or call me on 07903 88890. Please, guys, subscribe, share, guys. This is free information on YouTube. You just have to log in, watch the videos. By so doing, you'll be learning, guys. Thank you very much. See you next time.